Hi, I'm Robert. Welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. The tool you'll need to complete this repair will be a number 2 Phillips driver or drill. Today we're working on a Frigidaire top mount refrigerator. The freezer door handle has a crack in it, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. To begin this repair, we'll open the door and remove the two number 2 Phillips screws on the bottom of the door, holding the handle in place. With the 2 screws removed, we're going to slide the door handle to the right until it's free from the door, and then push up and out. Now we can install the new door handle. The door handle has a notched fitting in it, a female track, so to speak. We're going to slide that over the top of this shoulder screw, and then we'll rotate the handle over to get the number 2 Phillips screws in. You hear it pop. Then bring the handle down, pull it down and move it over. Now we'll line up our screw holes and install our screws. Because the door is reversible, there are 2 sets of screw holes. 2 of them are further back on the door. The other 2 are further forward of the door. You want to use the further forward of the door screw holes for the screws for the door handle. And that completes the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.